cookies, cakes, and pies. Oh my! Today we're headed to Danielle's Desserts, where the Southern-style treats are said to taste like home sweet home.
Danielle's Desserts is intended to transport people back in time. We carry American Southern-style desserts, and it's really intended to be the kind of dessert that people used to have at their grandmother's homes back in the day.
When I walked in, I'm like, oh my God, smell that butter, right?
People don't make the way they used to, but the South was known and is still known for having this sort of rich, decadent, homemade, made from scratch type of dessert. And that's what we carry here at Danielle's Desserts.
I love chocolate too, so the chocolate cake is really good, and the caramel cake. Everything's good.
Baking was something that I've always enjoyed doing, and I thought I did it somewhat decently, at least people told me I did. And so I decided if I was going to have my own business, I would do it making desserts.
And I'll speak on behalf of everyone and say, Danielle, we're so glad you did. Each dessert is so delicious it makes choosing a favorite really tough.
Well, the most popular dessert is this Southern caramel cake right here. I don't quite know why it's so popular, except that my guess would be it's hard to find caramel cake anywhere. You can find chocolate cake, you can find coconut cake, but it's hard to find a caramel cake.
I've known Danielle for almost 30 years, and I've been eating these here desserts for that amount of time. And as a family member, we always told her, oh, you should open up your own place, you know, this stuff is so good.
Okay, so what did you get today?
I got a blondie bar.
Do you get the blondie bar every time, or do you like to switch it up?
I get the blondie bar when they don't have the chewy cherry bar. That's even better.
I have a lot of favorites.
My personal favorite is the fluffy coconut cake.
I like the strawberries and cream. Definitely the German chocolate.
They're fantastic. Danielle's wonderful. She's always here working really hard. I respect that.
There's a myth going around that a lot of the desserts are desserts that I got from my grandmother, but these recipes really are my own. A lot of them I've been developing just through trial and error for about 20 years, and a lot of them I'm still tweaking today.
Well, Danielle, you keep tweaking and we will gladly keep eating.